Hello everyone, I'm a warm-hearted chef. Eggplant always tastes bland and tasteless. Eggplant can only be. You are completely wrong. Today I'm going to share 109 ways to cook eggplant. Simple and delicious. Soft and flavorful. Even kitchen novices can easily master it. Friends who like to eat eggplant, let's watch the video together. How was it made? Let's prepare a few beautiful purple eggplants first. Add a little salt. Scrub the eggplant skin clean. The purple-skinned cripple's skin was shiny like a piece of silk. Slender figure with full and firm. It also contains abundant anthocyanins. It helps to eliminate harmful free radicals in the body. Furthermore, eggplant skin is also high in dietary fiber. It can promote intestinal peristalsis, helps the body to digest and absorb better. Everyone knows that eggplant skin is highly nutritious. It definitely cannot be peeled. Therefore, the skin must be cleaned thoroughly. After washing, drain the water and place it on the cutting board again. Cut it into small pieces. Try to cut it into longer and thinner pieces. This results in a larger heating area. It cooks more easily when moreover, the dishes will look more appealing. You can cut everything to look like this. Put it in a large bowl. Add a large spoonful of salt. Add a few drops of white vinegar and mix it well by hand. Coat the eggplant evenly with salt. Salt is used here. It can cause water to seep out of the eggplant cells. This achieves the purpose of killing water. How much oil does eggplant absorb to make it less greasy? Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. While the eggplant is pickling, let's chop some ingredients. Prepare peeled garlic cloves, 3 or 5 small red chilies, and 2 pieces of the ginger into thin, even slices. Next, slice the garlic cloves into thin slices. You can also choose according to your own preferences. Into even pieces. Cut the small red chilies into water chestnut slices. Cut into pieces and place in a bowl for later use. Use only the white part of a bunch of scallions to chop them into scallion flowers for everyone. Cut and place on a plate for later use. Let's make a sauce. Add a little bit of light soy sauce to a small bowl. A small spoonful of dark soy sauce. Appropriate amount of salt. 88. Pepper. About 2 or 3 grams of starch. Pour in another half bowl of water and stir. Prepare a sauce before, so when we stir fry, no more being flustered. It also allows for better control of the saltiness of the dishes. If you are a beginner, it's even more important to prepare in advance. When cooking, stir well and set aside. Our eggplants are almost ready to be pickled. Eggplant became very soft. The volume has also shrunk. A lot of water was spilled. Squeeze out the excess salt and water from the eggplant. Makes the eggplant flesh firmer. Everyone, please remember this place. You must not wash the eggplant with water again. The eggplant won't be fragrant when after processing, put everything into a large basin. Coat the eggplant with a layer of some cornstarch to the eggplant, that is, 20 grams. Mix it thoroughly by hand to coat the surface of the eggplant with a layer of cornstarch. Coating with a layer of starch can reduce oil absorption. The texture will be more tender and delicious when set it aside after you've dealt with it. Next, heat the oil. In a wok, heat the oil and add the eggplant to the pan. Stir-fry quickly and evenly. Stir-fry the eggplant until soft. When stir-frying eggplant, remember one key point. Oil must be the highest heat in the house the whole time. High heat can quickly heat the surface of the eggplant. Allow the water in the cells to vaporize in a short time. A protective film of water vapor forms on the surface of the eggplant. This reduces water loss. Preserve the tender texture of eggplant. Dear friends, making videos is not easy. Ajian shares simple and practical home-style recipes every day. If the video improves your cooking skills, please remember to give Ajian a thumbs up. Also become. Thank you so much for your support and encouragement. A trending topic. Stir fry for about a minute. First, scoop it out. Leave some oil. Add the chopped green onions. Stir fry over low heat until the dried shrimp are fragrant. Dried shrimp itself has a rich seafood flavor. 2. It can add a rich umami flavor to dishes. This makes the flavor of the whole dish more intense. Stir fry. Add dried shrimp until fragrant and garlic. Add the bird's eye chili peppers too. Stir fry until the garlic is fragrant. The spiciness of small red chilies. After stir-frying until fragrant, pour in the prepared mix the seasonings sauce and ingredients together. Stir-fry evenly, then add the eggplant. Stir-fry for about 1 minute. Stir-fry the ingredients until they are well seasoned. Wok aroma. Finally, a touch of charming scallion flowers. The braised eggplant is ready. Turn off the heat, put it in a bowl, and serve it on the dining table. The whole family can then enjoy it to their heart's content. Just look at this glossy eggplant, coated in bright red sauce. It bursts with juice when you bite into it. The eggplant soaked up the soul-stirring sauce. So soft it melts at the first dish. You won't get tired of eating it, even after 2 meals. I even wanted to lick the sauce off the plate. What are you waiting for? Start making a replica. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Wishing everyone happiness every day at the end of the video. 8, 10,